Hey gang, it's Corey with YARC West. Welcome back to the channel. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, hopefully you'll stick around. So I bought the display floor model from Amain Hobbies for the Furitek Wagon FX118. I've always been interested in the Fury Wagon. I just felt that 200 was kind of a steep price. I guess what you're really paying for is the brushless motor and the chassis, because everything else on it's plastic. You do get portal axles, which is nice. Amain did a pretty good job of repackaging this. It's really not that beat up. You really couldn't even tell that it was run before. They did a fantastic job of cleaning it up, repacking it. Didn't come with a battery, which is fine because got plenty of those. So I ran it in the backyard for a bit, and really where it kind of doesn't shine is the wheels and tires, which again are to be expected for any type of ready to run. But yeah, they're not that great. The slow crawl on this is fantastic though. It has the Furitek, the Venom brushless motor, and insane amount of shock placements. You can get pretty crazy with this thing. I did notice it binds a little bit here, which this is nothing new, right? This has all been explored before in other videos. But the ears of the servo horn will hit that chassis there. I've seen videos where people took a Dremel and just kind of rounded it off. Maybe, we'll see. I'm not really that concerned with it. So what I did is I had these DJCrawler tires here, and these 1.3 inch rims of these beadlocks. I'll link them down below. I can't remember the name of the brand right off the top of my head. It's aluminum inner and outer, and then the ring is a brass ring, so they're super heavy. I had some difficulty mounting them, probably because this is a 1-inch tire with 1.3 beadlocks. You could tell they're slightly larger than the stock, so we're going to put those on and see how well it runs. I'm sure it's going to perform much better. In addition to that, so I had bought this for the Traxxas, but I never got around to putting it on. So now I'm wondering if I could actually fit it onto this, which I'm sure I probably can. I like Power Wagon just fine, as long as it's something I want to pick. In this sense, I was forced to get this Power Wagon body because that's all they had. And it's, you know, people complain about, oh, another Jeep, but it's also another Power Wagon. It's essentially what 90% of it is Jeeps or Power Wagons. But whatever, you know, it's not a big deal. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can mount this up, get those tires mounted, and then take it on a rip and see how it does on some lines. Well, would you look at that? It fits. Has a clamp, stays. I just have this battery attached to it. This one doesn't actually fit in the tray. The only issue really is I have no idea what to do with these tail lights because they don't mount up here. There's no way to get them to mount, so I don't know. But let's see. You can still. Yeah. It's like if you reach the power button, you gotta pull it up now. There it is. What do you think? So these are the DJCrawlers with. They come with dual stage foams. You kind of have to assemble the foams yourself, but it's not a big deal. Before, after, what do you think? Better? I don't know. I just like to have something a little different, even though this is pretty common. Essentially, you get it from INJROA. But I'll figure out what I'm going to do with the tail lights. Probably just tuck them inside, and then we'll take it out on the trail and see how it runs.